Budgeting apps track spending and categorize expenses. From the envelope philosophy of saving money to giving each dollar a task, free or subscription-based apps are a financial commitment. There are some specially made for couples too. If you are looking for the best saving apps, you are safe. Here are the 7 best budgeting apps 2022 for beginners. Number 7. Personal Capital. If you want to check and analyze your portfolio fees, you can use the Fee Analyzer. If you are budgeting for a better future, there is the Retirement Planner. Synchronizing your accounts into an organized file works best if you need to know your net worth. All these features are free to use when you are on Personal Capital. On the other hand, some people criticize this app for being more about the bigger financial picture than zoning in about budgeting. If budgeting is the only thing on your mind for now, and not financial house cleaning, then you can check out Mint, a month-specific expenditure monitoring app, which we will present to you soon. Number 6. POCKETGUARD. As the name suggests, POCKETGUARD cuts overspending. The app calculates your income against your savings goals and expenses and uses an algorithm to dictate how much you can spend each day. This philosophy is one of the most effective ways to quit overspending. If you want an app to tell you how to spend your money, POCKETGUARD does just that. Users call it an invaluable tool for a comprehensive overview of their overspending problem. Pretty fitting review if you asked us. In addition, POCKETGUARD sends reminders of due dates and sometimes indicates where to negotiate for lower bills. If you are into the concept of paying yourself first, you can create an automatic savings feature, and the app will automatically move your money into a bank account each month. POCKETGUARD's easy-to-use tools may focus on your spending problems and not much on financial restructuring. If you want further financial advice and resources to outstanding financial freedom, we will present YNAB, an app that is known for its commitment to financial literacy soon. Number 5. Every Dollar. As the name suggests, Every Dollar is a zero-based budgeting app. It is simple because you do not have to sync any accounts. All you have to do is enter your incoming and outgoing monies throughout the month. You also have the option of setting reminders for bills and subscriptions. This app is the bare minimum for its free option. To update and access the extra features, you need to become a Ramsey Plus member at $129.99 per year. The subscription includes printable reports on debts and spending history, audiobooks, and financial literacy courses. Please subscribe to this channel for more financial tips and prolific financial information. Number 4. HONEYDUE. This is the best app for couples. We know that Zeta and Firstly are equally good, and you might want to check that out too. Nonetheless, HONEYDUE lets you sync bank accounts, credit cards, loans, and investments as a couple. Notwithstanding, you can choose to withhold some information from the other party. You can also set limits on your monthly spending, and each is notified when the other is nearing it. You can then use the chat feature to communicate about the overspending or even upcoming bill deadlines. Happy family planning, if we can say so. Number 3. GOODBUDGET. Tracking what you spend is the basis of a budgeting app, but GOODBUDGET goes into tracking your future expenditure. The app does not work with your bank account. You manually encash debts and income at hand, and then assign money to things throughout the month, called the envelope budgeting system. This app can be accessed through the web on your computer when your phone is unavailable. Can you commit to manually inputting all your transactions into the app? Give a thumb up or down for the affirmative or otherwise in the comments below. If you cannot effectively input all expenses, then this app might not work for you. However, our next 2 apps will. Number 2. Mint. If you need a free budgeting app that is up to the task, we suggest Mint. With other 30 million users, this is the best free app. However, since it is free, you should expect many targeted financial product advertisements. The various accounts and their categories are organized in the app, so that you can check on all your savings and even investments at a glance. Likewise, the app sends reminders to pay your monthly bills to avoid attracting late fees. Again, Mint will monitor and calculate your assets and portfolio fees. If you want expert advice on other personal financial topics, Mint has a blog for that as well. Will you read a blog on budgeting app? Let us know in the comments. Number 1. YNAB. According to YNAB, beginners save $600 in their first 2 months and eventually save $6,000 in the first year of joining the app. Do we need to rumble about why this app is the best after this statistic? Let us indulge you for the fun of it, shall we? Unlike their competitors, YNAB does not only track what you have already spent, they'd also offer proactive budgeting coaching through the app. They'd offer extensive live workshops, video courses, and reading guides. We can confirm that they have a solid, dedicated customer service team. The app is also one of the most secure as it uses bank-level encryption to protect user data. If you have anxiety about losing your phone and/or hackers getting access to your money, this end-to-end encryption should assure you. All the other apps on this list also use the same high-level data protection tools. It just might be a safer risk than cryptocurrency because the government backs budgeting apps. The app costs $84 per year, but has a 34-day trial period. If you have mixed feelings about these apps, we have videos to compare them and analyze why they are the best or better option. Like in our next video, where we compare our top 2 best budgeting apps from this list titled Best Budgeting Apps, Mint versus YNAB, which is better?